Wagwan, everybody. Welcome to Rum Earth, where we will be keeping the culture alive one meal at a time. Today, I will be showing you how to make brown stew turkey neck. Now, growing up, brown stew turkey neck was always a childhood favorite of mine. I loved it with pumpkin rice, white rice, or rice and peas. Yes, I will eat it with ground provision, but when you're eating turkey neck, it is a lot of work, guys. You already try it if you tear off the meat off of the bone. So with me, turkey neck and ground provision, too much work too much work. So just give me it with the rice and call it a day. The ingredients are turkey neck, Sajan Badia, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, crushed pimento seed, ground ginger, garlic, jerk seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, browning, thyme, scallion, green bell pepper, onion, potato, carrot, salt, black pepper, hot pepper optional. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook brown stew turkey neck. A turkey neck, me know them big and look like oxtail, but it's turkey neck. So let's go. So the first thing, of course, wash the meat. Vinegar. So salt first. Use the amount of your liking. Pepper. Badia. Maggi. All-purpose seasoning. Ground ginger. Paprika. Onion powder, garlic powder, jerk seasoning. Not a lot because that's spicy. Unless you want to use that. Crushed pimento seed. Thyme. Kind of take it off the stem. Stir up your meat. Add our sauce. A splash, not a lot. And browning. The other seasonings like the onions, peppers, scallion, carrot, and potatoes, we're going to use that while the meat is cooking, but for now we just use the powdered seasonings. If you have a pressure pot, pressure cooker, or crock pot, feel free to use that. You know, it saves you from keep adding water to the meat to cook it until it's soft. Or if you have a Dutch pot, you can use that too, which is good because you know that contain the heat. Any tough meat, turkey neck, oxtail, cow foot, anything like that, you get your Dutchie, you're good to go because that just hold the heat and hold the water and do what it's supposed to do. I love it. So now that your meat is seasoned, you just want to put on your pot and make that heat up and use some vegetable oil and brown your meat. If you have sugar, this is where you would use your brown sugar method if you prefer that, but because we put the browning on the meat, we're just gonna brown it the regular way. You just wanna stir your meat to make sure it's brown evenly on on the sides. So it's naturally producing its own water as well. So all of that flavor and seasoning going into the meat through this process. Okay, as you can see, everything brown up the way we want. So now you just add your water to it. A little stir. And then we make this come to a complete boil. After it's almost cooked, then we will add the rest of our seasonings. Alright guys, check on it, give it a stir. So that is all looking good. If you want to add more water to it, if when you check your pot and it's not enough water, you can do that. Another thing, you always have to watch your turkey neck, especially if you don't use a pressure cooker. Keep adding water, and like I said, I always prefer to add boiling hot water when I'm adding the water to the meat, because it doesn't really change the texture of the meat. You know, everything still remain hot. So keep that in mind, okay? I try to wrap up the video because you know Thanksgiving and you know everybody hungry. Falling off the bone. If you like spicy, you like pepper, you can add like a scotch bonnet pepper to it. Add some more jerk seasoning. Make sure it tastes the gravy to make sure so it's to your liking. If not, you can add some more salt. Can make it cook down some more to get your gravy a little bit thicker. If you want, you can make like a flour base, or I think they use cornstarch. You can put in it to thicken up your gravy. But if it's to your liking, then you're good to go. Also, if you want to turn it in a ghetto oxtail, you know, you feel free to add some butter beans in it right there, so, and just make it cook down if you want it at 10-15 minutes. And due to how my turkey neck are big, they really can't tell the difference. Honestly, which part in our life turkey neck big like a this? Like guys, honestly, look at it. No oxtail this. No oxtail this. Unbelievable. Oxtail. Honestly. Guys, big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love all, one. All right, bye. Fantastic. Wow.